ads on YouTube and every other site on which I visit. There are so many ads in it. Like, see, I'm watching YouTube and it's showing ad of Netflix. What the heck? And so I want to browse a website on Safari. Here also it's an ad. See, advertisement. I'm tired of seeing these ads. Oh, I should play a game. In it as well, there are ads. So I'm tired of these ads. So I thought of making an ad blocker. So I've configured it on my other network. So should I check it? So this is the network on which I have configured ad blocker. So let's check it. So I should close the pages and reload them. YouTube. First we should check YouTube. Which video should I play? Okay.
7 bedroom.
No ads. No ads. Some other video. No ads. No ads. No ads. No ads. So we are free from ads from YouTube. So let's check Safari. Hey, see, there aren't any ads in this Safari as well. So should we check the Ludo King? Yeah, we should. Okay, I should try and watch an ad to collect money. Let's see if the ad loads or not. It's loading. Yeah, it's failed. See this. The ad failed. So there are no ads. So I should check how many ads were stored while I was browsing. So I was wondering I should go to Safari, close this page, open the statistics page of the blocker. Go. Yeah. Here this is my ad blocker. So I should log in with my ID password. Login. So total queries were 1678, queries blocked 381, percent blocked 22.7, domains on blacklist it's 82,000. So actually I have 5 to 6 devices connected on this, so only one device is working at the time, so it's showing only 22.7%. So like all the ads on this phone on which I'm filming the video is blocked. So you can see how it works. Thank you.